Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT3 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here, let me go back. Here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's go to the device unlock and tap on fingerprint and face unlock. Then let's tap on fingerprint and tap on agree. Before we will be able to set the fingerprint, we have to apply a new regular screen lock. If you've got one, you will be just transferred to another step, no worries. Let me quickly choose the pattern. Here we have the information that we have to remember the screen lock, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device. So let me quickly set the pattern. Okay, tap on add now. And here we've got our sensor, so all we have to do is to press our finger on it, put our finger on it, and now we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition. Alright, let's tap on done. Okay, and here we've got our fingerprint section. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it, add another fingerprint. Here we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for, and the fingerprint animation, you can customize it if you wish. Just tap on the option which you like. So we can choose three different animations. That's quite weird, but that's okay. And we can decide whether we want to show the fingerprint icon on the lock screen. It's up to you. So now let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. Here we've got the sensor. Let me put my finger on it and the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.